This is Randy with Mystery Madness Collectibles here, opening up two sodas and some My Little Pony NFTs that I picked up. But before we get into those, watch this and we'll be right back. And we're back. Yeah, I picked Yzma up on the Funko Shop. And Luke Skywalker, I got him. We'll open these up first and then we'll get to the NFTs. We'll do Yzma first. And it's just common. 1 in 8,400. And I don't have neither one of these, so I need a common or a chase for Luke and Yzma. Alright. And I only bought one, so what was the chance of me getting the chase? Kind of feel like I wasn't going to get the chase on either one, but you know, where you order something you got to get, I think, what, up to 50 or something like that in order to get free shipping. So I got these two to get my free shipping. And I'm pretty sure he's just the common. I think the chase, he's missing the hand. Yep, just the common. He is 1 in 15,800. There's a lot of these. The bobblehead. Pretty cool soda. Alright. Now we'll get to the My Little Pony openings. I've got 3 standards and 2 premiums. We'll open standard first. See what we get. We got Princess Celestia, rare, so not too bad. Twilight Sparkle, uncommon. Spitfire, common. Another Princess Celestia, common. Twilight Sparkle, common. Okay, well, at least I got a rare out of it. So there's that one. We'll just go in order. We'll open all standards first, and then we'll go with the premiums. Princess Luna. Okay, she's purple. It's pretty cool. She's an uncommon. Max Token Head, common. Doctor Who's, common. Yeah, common or uncommon. Luna Moon. Huh. Are they going for a Harry Potter theme thing there? Like Doctor Who's for Doctor Who? DJ Pony 3, common. Alright, this one wasn't too bad. Oh, we got an epic. So that's pretty good. Discord, common. Twilight Sparkle, uncommon. Oh, we got a legendary, so that's pretty cool. Queen Celestia. God, I need to turn my notifications off, but I forgot to. So I'm advertising all these people. So yeah, that's a pretty cool one. We got one more to go. Let's see what we get. Max Token Head rare. So that was a pretty good pack. All right, now we're down to the premiums. Let's see what we can pull out of these. Ah, we got a token. That's a pretty cool token. We got a Freddy Funko Spike, rare. Common head, or Max Token Head, common. Spitfire, rare. Princess Celestia's, uncommon. Discord, uncommon. Another Princess Celestia, uncommon. Flutterish, common. Rarity, common. Princess Celestia's rare. I think I've already got one of those. Pinkie Pie. Oh my god, I remember Pinkie Pie. My daughter, that was one of their favorites. She's a common. Twilight Sparkle is an uncommon. Uncommon. Princess Luna, uncommon, or common. Ooh, we got the Grail. Oh, that's good. So we got a legendary in one and a Grail in the other. So yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah, I got a little excited there. And we got one more to go. DJ Pony 3. Common. Okay, not too bad. Not well, actually, really good. Got a Grail. So let's see what we get out of this pack if we get any legendaries. We got another token. Flutter, uncommon, or common. Flutter, uncommon. See, I knew it. I was reading it. Man, I had enough of her. Queen Celestius, common. Sunset Shimmer. That's a pretty cool one too. Common. Royalty, common. Max Token Head, uncommon. Another Royalty, common. Tempest Shadow, uncommon. Temple Shadow, uncommon. Trixie uh, Luma. I'm not sure. I'm butchering that name. Rare. Princess Alexius, rare. DJ Pawn 3, common. Ooh, I just said she was cool, and she was pretty cool. Sunset Shimmer, legendary, so that's a redeemable. We got two more to go. Max Token Head, common. And our last one is Princess Celestius, common. So not too bad of packs. Um, so yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's see how many legendaries we got. I don't know how to do this thing. All right. Well, anyway, that was pretty cool. No chases. Got some legendaries. Um, so yeah, pretty awesome packs. We'll have to check in. Wait a minute. I just figured it out. We got two legendaries, Sunset Shimmer and Queen Celestia, and one royalty. So that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I wonder what the 1-in-1 is. Guess it didn't tell you. Don't know if this one has it. All right. Well, I just would like to say please hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to be notified of the next videos that are coming. And mad love to everyone that has subscribed and further ones that will subscribe. And you all have a good day or good night. Depends on when you're watching the video. Thank you.